The termite swarm season might be the biggest threat your home faces every year. With termite infestations causing between $500 and over $3,000 in damage, you do not want to risk an infestation. In this video, you will learn how to prevent this from happening to you. So, what is a termite swarm season? Essentially, it's the time of year when termites will swarm and start looking for new places to build colonies. This is a critical time for homeowners, as it's when termites are most likely to invade your home. All termite species swarm once a year, and the only winged termites are swarmer termites. So if you see winged termites, you need to start paying attention. Just make sure you don't confuse them with winged ants, as they look quite similar. However, while all termite species have a swarming season, they don't swarm at the same time. Let's go through all species and when you need to be on the lookout for an infestation. First up, we have subterranean termites. These are the most common type of termites in the United States, and they swarm in the spring. This is the time of year when homeowners need to be extra vigilant to prevent an infestation. Subterranean termites are the most destructive species in the United States. This is because their colonies are much larger, 20 times larger and more, compared to other species. This species is also widespread, appearing all across the United States except the north. Next, we have drywood termites. These termites typically swarm during the late summer or fall months. They're not as common as subterranean termites, but they can still cause significant damage to your home if they're not dealt with properly. Finally, we have dampwood termites. These termites are also known to swarm mainly during the warmer seasons in summer and fall. They're not as common as the other two types of termites, but they can still be a problem if they're not dealt with. So, what should homeowners be watching out for during termite swarm season? Well, there are a few signs to look for that could indicate an infestation. But before we get into the common signs, what do termites even do during swarm season? First, swarmer termites are reproductive termites. Most termites cannot reproduce, but these winged termites can. They pair up, one male and one female, and try to find a nice spot for a new colony. But don't be fooled, it's called swarm season for a reason. Hundreds, often even thousands of termites will spread out and try to find a suitable location. You may see wood covered completely with termites, which can be a scary sight. Once these termites have found a place they like, they will drop their wings and start tunneling into the wood. Inside, they will dig some more to build a cozy little nest. Then the female turns into the queen of the new colony and starts producing eggs. These eggs turn into termite workers, which quickly start collecting more wood to feed the queen and themselves. Now the colony will keep growing and growing, and the workers will destroy wood tirelessly. Quite literally, as termites don't need sleep, they tunnel through wood 24 hours a day. So what common signs do you need to watch out for to spot a termite infestation? First, you'll want to pay close attention to any signs of winged termites. These are the termites that are swarming and looking for new places to build colonies. They're usually dark in color and have wings. If you see them near your home, take action. Pesticides help, and this may be the only time when a pesticide can actually prevent an infestation effectively. Additionally, wait until the swarm season is over, then get a professional assessment to make sure no termites have started a colony in your home. Make photos of where the termites are swarming to make this easier. Second, you'll want to keep an eye out for any signs of termite damage. At this point, look for tiny holes or tunnels leading into the wood. These termite pinholes are what remain when termite swarmers dig into wood to start a colony. But look closely, as they like to close these tunnels with mud soon after. Finally, you may hear unusual noises coming from your walls. Clicking or banging, very soft and barely audible. This is the sound of termites tunneling through your walls. So, what can homeowners do to keep their homes safe during termite swarm season? First and foremost, you'll want to make sure that your home is properly sealed. This means taking care of any cracks or openings in your foundation, outer walls, attic, and roof. Second, you'll want to keep an eye out for any signs of termite activity, and if you notice anything suspicious, you should contact a pest control professional right away. Third, you may want to consider getting a termite bond. This is essentially a contract that ensures complete protection for your home. If termites ever do infest your home, the pest control company has to do both treatments and repairs free of charge. That means they will proactively do everything to prevent an infestation, including yearly checkups. Finally, you should be proactive and take steps to prevent an infestation and make it less likely. This includes maintaining your house well, especially on the outside. Make sure the walls are in good condition, as decayed wood is very attractive to termites. On the other hand, a fresh coat of paint repels them. In conclusion, termite swarm season is a critical time for homeowners. By understanding when the different species of termites swarm, what to look out for, and what steps to take, you can help protect your home and ensure that it remains termite-free. This can save you a lot of money over the years, as a termite infestation is quite an expensive problem to fix. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on pest control. And remember, if you suspect a termite infestation, don't hesitate to contact a professional.